Welcome to Signup.com. We're proud to save you time and make participating easy. This short video will show you how to change or cancel your assignments if you're already signed up for something. Let's start with mobile devices. Access your sign up by clicking the View or Change My Commitments link in your confirmation or reminder email from mail@signup.com. If you can't find the email, go to Signup.com and click Join an Existing Event here, and we'll send you fresh links to all your signups. As a participant, you'll never need a password to access Signup.com. After opening the activity, go to your original assignment spot. If you need help finding it, tap the menu here and then tap My Spots. On this screen, you can either increase the number of appointment spots or delete your assignments altogether. First, tap the spot you want to change or cancel. To remove the spot and cancel the assignment altogether, tap the trash can and confirm. If you want to sign up for a new spot, tap the back arrow here and then tap Sign Up for More and choose your next assignment. Once you sign up, you can sync all your assignments to your smartphone calendar. From a large screen device like a computer or tablet, enter the sign up the same way through your email and then find your spots here. Click the My Spots button next to the assignment you want to delete to see the drop-down menu, and then click Remove. Click Yes to confirm, and then sign up for a different spot. If the swap feature is enabled on your sign-up, you can request to swap with another person. Click this button, and then choose a few times you're available to swap with someone else. Your contact information will be kept confidential when you swap, and you'll be notified when a match is made. As a courtesy, please remember to alert the organizer about any last-minute changes. The organizer's contact information is in your confirmation and reminder emails and in the menu of your sign-up. Thanks for participating, and remember, when it's your turn to coordinate activities at work, school, or with friends or volunteers, Signup.com is the easiest way to bring people together.